outstanding achievement as the champion of the Young Creatives Challenge Season 3 online content creation category held at SMX Convention Center or Taguig City on July 17, 2026. Your winning entry, My Shoe Customizing Journey by UR Customizer, showcased exceptional creativity and storytelling, earning national recognition and bringing honor and pride to the province of Sultan Kudarat. This certificate of recognition is given to Mark John E. De Los Santos.
I also request Sir Mahir Amba of the Paido to please speak. Wala siya.
Ayan, palagpakan naman natin si Sir Mark. Talagang pang-national level ang creativity ng ating mga kabataan sa Sultan Kudarat. Palagpakan niyo naman yan. Grabe. The future is bright for the province of Sultan Kudarat. Our next awardee is in recognition of its unwavering commitment to continually develop its business, thereby promoting entrepreneurship and contributing to the growth of the local economy. Congratulations and maraming salamat to the South Central Mindanao College of Science and Technology Incorporated. We would like to call on the owner, SPS Robert and Filipinas Banchar from Land Bank of the Philippines, Sultan Kudarat Lending Center. We would like to also acknowledge Jack Lloyd L. Monserrate, Handling Account Officer, and Ricardo Rafael P. Hamorabon III, Department Manager. Palagpakan naman natin ang South Central Mindanao College of Science and Technology Incorporated.